Welcome to ASU Library One Search. One Search is our all-in-one library catalog and search tool, allowing you to search print and ebooks, electronic resources, digital collections, and more. One Search can be found at the ASU Library homepage at lib.asu.edu. To begin searching, type a word or phrase into the search box. You can search for journals, articles, books, magazines, and newspapers, all from this one search bar. Click the search button, and our search function will find materials that match your search. However, you may want to focus your initial search by choosing a scope from which to perform your search. You can see your options by clicking the down arrow next to the overall scope of One Search. For example, if you choose ASU Library Catalog, One Search will look for any materials that are physically located within the ASU Library campuses. The database menu option allows you to search the ASU Library selection of specialized search engines, which allow you to find articles and other materials. If you choose journal titles, you are taken to a page that allows you to find specific online or print journals by title or subject. Google Scholar is a web-based search engine that allows you to search for scholarly or academic literature from numerous sources, such as journal publishers or other academic institutions. By choosing guides, you can search through hundreds of library guides created by our own librarians on specific research topics or courses offered at ASU. The Course Resources option allows you to search materials selected by ASU faculty and instructors for use in specific courses. Lastly, if you leave the selection at One Search, all of these scopes will be searched. You may also want to focus your search by using quotation marks. For example, if you search for fish oil in quotes, your results will be limited to that exact phrase, like articles on the health effects of fish oil nutrition. However, if you search for fish oil without quotes, you may get results about oil spills and fish die-offs. When you receive your results, you can refine your search even further by using the filters on the right-hand side of the screen. These filters will limit your search by library location, resource type, availability, subject, and many other aspects. We hope you enjoy your experience with our search tool. And remember to visit Ask a Librarian if you have any questions.